In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can build landing page for your business for free, which you can use whether for Facebook ads or for any other ways that you want to use your landing page for. Alright, you can send it over and collect your leads and things like that. Yeah, my title shows it's Facebook ads, but you can use it for other things as well. This is totally free, and I have used many different landing page software as well. I've used High Level, ClickFunnels, Unbounce, Lead Pages, WordPress as well. So there's many different software that I use, but all of them require you to pay. And this software can get you started very quickly for free, so you can just use it first, and then after that you might want to upgrade the plan or you want to change to other software. It's possible, but I would highly suggest for you to try this. And this software have a lot of different features. If you want to jump straight to the software, you can just go to my description box and click on the link and have a look. But if not, you can just follow this mini tutorial on how to build a landing page and see how the landing page is being used in Facebook ads. Now, before I begin, if you're new to the channel, do subscribe to the channel so they can get more tips and tricks to grow your business using online marketing. Now, without further ado, let's jump into my computer and let me show you how. Let's go. Okay, before I show you what landing page it is, I'm just going to show you that I actually use this for one of my clients, and it's totally free. The landing page is free and it gives results. So it is not like just telling you about it. I'm actually using it and it shows results. I even get sales from it. So here I'm going to show you in this Facebook Ads Manager. As you can see, it's not a lot of leads, 62 leads out of 47 ringgit per lead, or in US dollar, be $10 US dollars. It's usually dollar to dollar. Then this is how much I spent. And we get all these leads fully through free landing page builder. And I'm going to introduce to you right now what is that free landing page builder. So the software that I want to introduce to you is System.io. So this software, System.io, is totally free. As you can see, let me just refresh this. Immediately when you go in, you get to see it as a free account. You can see get a free account. It's totally free forever if you're using just a free tier. And of course, there'll be some paid tiers depending on where your business are. Especially if you're new, just started off and you want to have an online presence, you want to build landing page, just have a simple website. All this can be done. You can just read it through. You can even create sales funnels like what I did just now, the landing page for my client. Send marketing emails, which when people sign in, they can get marketing emails, which is pretty cool. You can build websites. I built few of them as well for free, and you can manage affiliate, create online courses, automate marketing. There's many things you can do here. And let me show you the pricing for this so that you know that of course it is free up to a certain point. It's very good when you just started off. All right, just that when you grow, definitely you need a bigger plan. So for context, 2000, this is very good already when you started off as a new business owner. You can send unlimited email. Sales funnel 3, sales funnel step 15, blogs 1. Blogs is actually the website, depending on where you want to put it. For me, I put the website as blogs. Blog posts, you can have unlimited blog posts. Courses, students, everything is all here. It's pretty good even for its free package. The only thing that is different is, of course, you can see the logo at the bottom, alright? Which is, of course, it's fair. Like, you use it for free. Definitely, they need a way to promote their software, right? And it's totally okay. And let me show you my clients, what I did for them, and then what kind of information you have. Of course, I cannot show you everything because it's my client, but if you want it to be built, you can always go to the description box or the comment section. That's where I put my contact details, so you can feel free to book a call with me if you want to discuss on how I can help you build all this up and also to run Facebook ads. So now, I'm logged into my client dashboard. So for this, I ran this a while ago, so this is not new. So where you build the landing page funnels, you click on here, funnels. So I have two different funnels. The main funnel that I run for her is this one. Let me just click on it. There's a few different options. First of all, they go into the landing page. After that, they have an order form. So this is where they buy their ticket, or they buy the online course, the masterclass, and things like that. After that, you have a thank you page. So actually, this is actually nothing there. I just put it there for nothing. Okay, so you can put it inactive. So they have 3 different things. And guess what? You can actually make sales from this as well. Can you imagine? I make sales for free. So you go to sales, and you can see these are all the sales that I have. It's $120 each time, and there's a few of us. So you can imagine, with free landing page, you can make sales. You can run Facebook ads and you can get sales. So it is possible. Okay, so let me show you how you easily can build this. Of course, I cannot use my client account. Let me show you my account and show you how you can just easily build a landing page for free. Very easily, very quickly. So let's go. Alright, so now I'm in my own System.io dashboard. So this is the test account. And before you build a funnel or landing page, obviously you need to know what you want. What is the process that you want to. So I do have a checklist on what you want to put in your landing page. You can download it somewhere in the description box below. And you can download it to have a look. Okay, and for this, Building funnels can be difficult, can be easy, depends on what you want. If you want a quick, a simple one, let me show you how. So you just have to go to register. It is very easy to register, and again I told you it is free, so just put your email address and boom, you're in. And of course, I'll create more detailed System.io tutorial next if there is any requests. If there's any requests, just put in the comment section. Let me know what you want to know, then I can put it in. And maybe I'll create a simple mini course as well, which I'm going to update everything in the description box when the times come. So now go to funnels. So this is where you put your landing page in, as I showed you just now. For free, you can only have up to 3, which is good enough actually for you to begin. So click on create. So there's a few funnels that you can build. I just put, and then there's a few options. You can sell a product or service. You can run an evergreen webinar. You can do a custom funnel from scratch or build an audience. So I just want to build an audience. For currency, usually we use, it depends on which country you're at, right? So let's just put US dollars. And then you click on build an audience. This is what we want at first. All right. But you want to sell, you can just put it. It's very easy to add step anyway. So next, you can click on the 3 dots. You can view, you can duplicate, you can share. So this is where you can share your funnel to other people. You can deactivate, or you can click on settings. You can put all the information here, click save. Next, you go to the funnel itself, click on it. So you can see it's very easy. There's just a squeeze page and a thank you page. If you want to add step, just click on add step, and you can choose what type of step that you want to put. Sales page, inline, form, everything here. So it's very easy. Okay, but for a simple landing page, you just want to have a squeeze page, and then when people opt in, they get whatever that you want to send them, whether you want to send them free ebook or things like that, or they want to register for an event, whatever it is that you want to. And you can see there's many different kind of designs, and some of them looks pretty good. All right, just choose a template. There's a lot of templates for you to choose. I like this one, so I'm giving, for example, an ebook. All right, just click select. You can even preview template. Just click preview template, and it will appear here. All right, yeah. Click on select. You can put your URL path. You can view your funnel tab, edit page. You can even change the template if you want to. So you reach a builder. Now the builder, it's very similar to all the builders. Alright, you know one concept, you know everything. So basically it's just row and columns. Of course, that is basic level design, which I can help on. If you want like full development where the things everywhere, then you need to pay a premium. And for free version, you will have this badge at the bottom, which of course you cannot. I mean, if it's free, it's there. If you pay for it, then you can remove this badge. So this is where you can just change the headline, change the image. What you learn, just put in everything here. And then if there's a video that you want to put in, you can put in here. If not, you can just delete here. You can delete, and you can just remind them. But if you just a short one, you can just delete this as well. Just put what you learn about you, and then that's it. Done. Change all the description here. All right. So again, the same thing as what we have is usually by layout. So it'll be section, row, and columns. This is all the elements that's inside. So you can even see there's different blocks that you can check. You can search here, click on block, and then boom, you can see there's many different blocks that you can use. It's very easy to use. So if you want to put, for example, like testimonials, yes, you can put in testimonial, then you appear here. You just need to edit, of course, the name and the details here as you want to. Okay, elements. So you can see here column layout, 4-column layout, 1 section. Section basically is the whole big section here. You can just put a section here. Again, you can see drag and drop. Okay, you can see how many, 1 row, and you put the 4 columns, for example. All right, then you can put image. Just for example, like what you learn, right? You just put in the 1 line instead. And then after that, yeah, it's all easy, very drag and drop. Alright, first of all, you need to know layout of your page, which you can plan accordingly, or you can just funnel hack somebody else. And then after that, you can just plug it in. It's very easy, just plug and play, and then boom, it's ready to go. Okay, save changes, you can just view, it's here. Alright, very direct, and immediately you can start sending this out and you can use it. And if you want, you can even use as sales. So you can just put in add step, put in sales like what I showed you just now, what I did for my client, and then you appear here sales. There's even like stat, A/B testing, automation rule. This is where you set your email. For example, once people have visited the page or they're subscribed, then they'll receive email. All this can be done. So this can be done as email marketing as well. So it's nearly like GHL, but a mini version of GHL. GHL can do a lot of things, but this one is good enough for you to start. You can have your funnels, you can have your email, your blogs, automation, products, sales, online course, all everything done here with a very low price. This is a very good software. I was very happy when I first used it, and yeah, do try it out, especially if you're new business owners trying to have an online presence. This is one of the best software that you can try it out. Once you get used to it, maybe you want to upgrade to more features, you can go high level, which I promoted as well. Alright, the link is all in the description box below. Just click on it. If you need any help, put in the comment section, let me know what kind of tutorial that you want me to create on System.io. I'll create them, and I hope this is useful for you. If you like what I share, give me a like and subscribe to this channel so that you can grow your online business. And thank you so much, and I see you next time. Goodbye.